Hi, Jason Christian here from Corsair. I'm the product manager for keyboards and mice. Very excited to be showing a brand new product here at Gamescom 2015. Its name is Strafe RGB. And Strafe RGB comes in 3 different German-made Cherry MX key switches. The one I have in front of me right now is a exclusive to Corsair. It's featuring the German-made Cherry MX silent switches. And why silent? We've received a lot of feedback from the community, our forums, and even gaming events where people say, we love Cherry switches, we love the feel, but can you make them quieter? So we took that direct feedback and we're able to integrate that in a fully integrated solution in the key switch. So there's a special rubberized dampening material built in that helps the switch from bottoming out. Also, when it travels back up, it reduces noise, and then built in our brand new platform, the first one we've launched since 2011, it also assists on reducing noise. Some key features of the keyboard, other than the German Cherry switches, are it comes with a full-length detachable wrist rest, has a really nice soft touch material on it, has a USB pass-through port on the front, so it's great for plugging in your keyboard, a mouse, a headset, or even plugging in your phone to charge it. And of course, it's per key RGB backlighting, so that means you can set 16.8 million colors per key. And then with our Q software, it's fully programmable, so any key can be a macro. All right, now I'm gonna run you through a quick tutorial on our Corsair Utility Engine, or Q software. And the recent update of Q makes it extremely easy to set up lighting effects. And so right out of the box, we have a brand new pattern for Strafe RGB, and it's called Spiral Rainbow. And this is a one-click effect, so it requires no programmability. And within this setting, you're able to change the direction of the rainbow and also the speed. Some other presets are, of course, the traditional rainbow wave that is very popular and was community created on our keyboard. And then we've taken a few lighting effects from our single color Strafe red keyboard, like visor mode. So in visor mode, it will go back and forth and change colors. This particular one is set to 2 colors. We also have rain mode, so it kind of gives you a matrix type looking rain. One of my favorite ones is the reactive ripple typing. So as you type on the keyboard, you're going to get a nice ripple effect. So very easy, very fast to set up. And then a new feature called Q-Link is, it allows you to sync the headset, keyboard, and mice really easy. So, now I have the Spiral Rainbow going not just on the keyboard, but the mouse and the headset. And even the reactive typing is really cool to do. As you're reactive typing, it's gonna cycle through the headset and the mouse all at once. Strafe RGB will be available towards the end of September, early October. The Cherry MX silent version will be $159 US, and the Cherry MX red and Cherry MX brown version will be $149.